Hi, this is some random video where we are having a Pepsi challenge, and me and
hey, welcome to Jackass. Not really a Jackass stunt. We have a burp contest.
And please subscribe to my channel, which is Pin a Whip, which will be in the description below. So please subscribe to me. Thank you, my friend.
And
high five.
Whatever.
And him too. High five.
High five.
Kadoosh.
Okay.
And high five to you too. Ow.
Douche.
This is the little burp. This is my little burp.
I'm not in it.
Yes, I am. I'm in it.
That was the high burp.
Better wait for me. Was that the big burp? Not yet. It's so small. You guys need to do the big ones. Big ones first. Is this your big one? Wait. Is this going to be your big one? Tell me. Maybe. Just the medium.
It sounds like you're puking. Holy crap.
Okay. So is that your medium?
Yep.
Now this is the big, the final one.
We should do a long one. Do a long.
Okay. Okay, no guys. Just try and do the best burp you can. The biggest one. And I'll do it too.
Yep. Still drinking?
So I'm just shaking a little bit.
Just wait until we're done. Oh well.
Okay, wait. I'm going.
Fail. Oh, barf.
Ow, my nose.
I want to do a volcano.
That was your big one.
I want to do a volcano. Oh, that was my longer. That was my long burp.
You sound like I'm puking.
That was my long burp.
That's my pukish burp. This is my...
Ow, my shit. Oh, I hate when that happens.
Well, I'm all out.
I'm empty.
Okay, ready? This is my big burp. Wait.
Let's see how much you... Oh, you have a lot.
Wait, let me see. Let me see.
How much do you have?
Okay, I guess Marcus wins, the cameraman, but he doesn't want to show his face.
Oh, so close.
Don't say my name.
Marcus! Hi, Marcus!
Hi. Hi, Marcus. What's up, Marcus?
Just make sure your mom sees this. You're in big trouble! We said that on YouTube.
Hey, that's why just so you know, Mom, I wanted to be cameraman for a reason.
Okay, ready? Wait, come here. I want to do something.
Oh, yeah, that was the best.
I want you to pour this on my face.
No.
Okay.
Put it up your nose.
Let's just...
Come out of his eyes.
That was your big one.
I guess so.
I'm done.
This is without any ginger ale or anything.
You had tons of ginger ale.
And then you just, like, put it all over you. This is without ginger ale.
Don't make that face, dude.
This is without ginger ale.
When you do that.
That's mine with... That's my fake one without...
Yeah, that's how you sound.
I can't even burp. Excuse me. I can't even burp without having a cup of drink. Let's see if I have a little bit more left. You guys can't burp without having a drink? Nope. Well, wait, can you burp without having a drink?
No.
I can.
Yeah, because you drink a lot.
Good for you, Kevin.
You just drank some. Just drank some.
There was like a little bit left.
No, you were just like,
See, look. There's only a little
drink
bit.
it all.
Okay, so ready?
Show your face. Come on, man. You won the challenge. You have to show your face.
No.
Show your shirt then.
Yes.
Show your face. Oh my gosh, dude. It wasn't that bad, dude. Not like you're going to get grounded for 3 years just for putting... Dude, people have already seen you on YouTube anyway.
On my channel.
So what's the difference? Just show your face, for God's sake.
No.
We'll make you.
No, you won't.
Okay. Well,
That's that, people.
Bye.
This is Jackass for Kids.